Hi everybody and welcome back to HomeHeadChef. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make roasted baby potatoes with mushrooms and herbs. Now this is a great side dish that complements any steak or chicken or any seafood that you have. So let's step up to the cutting board and see what we need. For this recipe we are going to need 1 pound of baby potatoes cut into half, 1 pound of mushrooms, you can use any type that you like, cut in half. We need half a tablespoon of Italian seasoning, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, a few tablespoons of oil of your choice, and salt and pepper. To get started, we're going to preheat the oven to 350 degrees. We're going to combine the potatoes, the mushrooms, the garlic, the herbs, a little bit of our soy sauce, and our oil, a little bit of salt and pepper, and we're just going to give this a toss. Get it all combined and mixed up. We're going to take the rest of our oil, spread it in the pan. We're going to dump our our potatoes and mushroom mixture right into our baking dish. We're going to go right into the oven at 350 degrees for about 20 to 30 minutes until the potatoes are fork tender. Alright, it's been about 30 minutes. Let's check the doneness on these potatoes. Oh, perfect. Fork goes right on through. Now let's plate these up and get a taste. Let's get a taste of these. I want to get a potato and a mushroom in the same bite. Oh man. Those are outstanding. Potatoes are light and fluffy. They're like little clouds on the inside. You get the earthiness of the mushrooms. You get a hint of umami from the soy sauce. The garlic and the herbs really come through. These are absolutely amazing. They make a wonderful side dish. If you like what we're doing here, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. We're real close to hitting 1,500 subscribers. We're going to do a giveaway of possibly a knife or something. Check us out on Facebook and Instagram. Thanks for stopping in, and we'll see you next time.